Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. Also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. In this video, I will tell you how to write a bio sketch, or you can say biographical sketch. So before this, you must know the difference between biography and autobiography. A biography is an account of a person's life written by someone else. An autobiography is an account of a person's life written by that person. So now what is a biographical sketch? A biographical sketch is an account of the life and activities of a person. It would include information about the person, his or her name, place of birth, education, occupation, life and activities as well as other important details. मतलब जब बायो स्केच लिखते हैं किसी पर्सन का, तब उसकी लाइफ एंड एक्टिविटीज़ सब मेंशन करेंगे। इसमें उस पर्सन का नेम, बर्थ प्लेस, एजुकेशन, ऑक्यूपेशन, उनकी लाइफ का सब इम्पॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स मेंशन करनी होती है। इट इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ द पर्सन, ऑलवेज रिटन बाय समवन एल्स एंड नेवर बाय द पर्सन अबाउट whom इट इज़ रिटन। मतलब बायो स्केच स्टोरी होती उस पर्सन की, और ये स्टोरी दूसरा जना लिखता है और खुद वो पर्सन अपने बारे में नहीं लिखता। अ बायोग्राफिकल स्केच इज़ शॉर्टर एंड मच मोर स्पेसिफिक। ये शॉर्ट में लिखी जाती है और यूजुअली क्वेश्चन में वर्ड लिमिट मेंशन होगी। अगर नहीं होती तो 100 to 120 वर्ड्स तक लिख सकते हैं आप। इट इज़ ऑलवेज रिटन बाय समवन एल्स एक्सेप्ट द पर्सन ऑन whom it is written. It presents facts about a person's life and provides an overview of the life of the person. मतलब बायो स्केच हमेशा दूसरा पर्सन ही लिखता है और उसमें उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन जिसके बारे में लिख रहे हो उसकी डिटेल्स आती हैं, उसकी लाइफ स्टोरी लिखनी होती है और ये यूजुअली थर्ड पर्सन में लिखी जाती है। The main points that need to be incorporated while writing a bio sketch are full name, date of birth or age, place of birth, major personality traits, educational details highlighting any major achievements or awards, his or her contribution to society, any special interest, why is he or she famous or known for. सो जब भी आप बायो स्केच लिखोगे तब आपको इन पॉइंट्स का ध्यान रख के ही लिखना है। वन मोर थिंग, मोस्टली आपको क्वेश्चन में हिंट पॉइंट्स गिवन होंगे और आपको उन्हीं पॉइंट्स को मेंशन करके पूरी बायो राइटिंग लिखनी है। नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ बायो स्केच। द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन बिलो इज अ प्रोफाइल ऑफ Saurav Ganguly. Write a short bio sketch of him in about 100 words. You may take help from the inputs given below. आपको सौरव गांगुली जो फेमस क्रिकेटर हैं उनकी बायो स्केच लिखनी है और आपको हिंट पॉइंट्स गिवन है, उसके बेसिस पे आपको बायो स्केच लिखना है। बर्थ जुलाई 8, 1972 इन कोलकाता। टेस्ट डेब्यू जून 20, 1996 एट लॉर्ड्स सेंचुरी अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड। Test achievements 113 tests, 7,212 runs, 42 average, 16 centuries, 35 half centuries. ODI achievements 311 matches, 11,363 runs, average 4,102, highest ODI score 183 in 158 balls against Sri Lanka 1999 World Cup, पॉपुलरली नोन एज प्रिंस ऑफ कोलकाता। सो ये सब पॉइंट्स को इंक्लूड करना है अपनी राइटिंग में। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सौरव गांगुली वॉज born on July 8, 1972 in Kolkata. Ganguly made his test debut at Lord's on June 20, 1996 and struck a fine century in this debut match against England. He played 113 tests and accumulated 7,212 runs with a healthy 42 plus average. He scored 16 centuries and 35 half centuries in the process. In ODIs, he ranks among the greats with 11,363 runs under his belt from 311 matches at an average of 41.02. His highest ODI score came in the biggest stage when he butchered Sri Lanka on a way to a 158 ball 183 at Taunton in the 1999 World Cup. He is popularly known as the Prince of Kolkata. Next question is, use the following information and write a short bio sketch of Mother Teresa. Birth 27th August 1910 of Albanian parents in Skopje. Her real name was Agnes Gonja Bonjazou. In 1928 joined convent in Ireland, 18 years old. In 1929 sent to Darjeeling, India. In 1931 began teaching at Kolkata Girls' School. In 1948 left teaching to work among the poor in slums of Kolkata. In 1950 to 1996 worked for the downtrodden and sick destitute. In 1979 awarded Nobel Peace Prize. Death 5th September 1997. So ये सब पॉइंट्स को इंक्लूड करना है अपनी राइटिंग में. So let's begin. Mother Teresa was born on 27th August 1910 to Albanian parents in Skopje. Her real name was Agnes Gonja Bonjazou. She joined a convent in Ireland in 1928. When she was only 18 years old, she was sent to Darjeeling. There she began teaching in Kolkata Girls' School. Later she left teaching to work among the poor slums. From 1948, she started working for the downtrodden and sick destitute. She worked selflessly for them. For her sincere, dedicated, and selfless work, she was awarded Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. She left for her heavenly abode on 5th September 1997. So this was all about bio sketch writing. I hope it is clear. I will discuss some other topic in my next video. So till then, stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. Also, if you want to suggest some topics, then you can DM me on Instagram or email me. Each and every detail is given in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.